Alrighty, everybody. So to prepare you for the second assignment of week 2, I want to go over how to begin the assignment. So the goal of the assignment is to research your potential customer for your store that you've been planning throughout week 1 and then week 2. So if you notice here where it says task, we want to use 400 to 500 words in Microsoft Word to identify who our customers are. You've already done a little bit of thinking about that within the first week, so I want you to expand upon that. And then the second bullet point is really what I want to focus on for this screencast. So you want to determine what are the demographics of the store's potential customers. So you're going to use the lecture provided within week 2 and the websites like thebestplaces.net to answer this question. So I want to show you how to use this website. You're going to go ahead and click on the hyperlink. And this website's pretty cool. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in the zip code of the location of the store that you have developed within week 1. So I'm going to use the zip code that I live in, which is 45140. So you type that in here in this search bar, and then you press go. The results are pretty interesting, and I think this will really help you all do a great job on your assignment for this week. So we'll let our results load here. And you can kind of scroll down and notice, okay, well, I have my city, so I know that I used my zip code correctly. But on the left side, it gives you a lot of different information, like the cost of living, maybe education stats, real estate, like the average cost of a home. Some great stuff here, like the median age. So think about it. If you're designing, let's see, a store for seniors, for people 65 or 70 and older, the median age is 39. So would that make sense for you? It may not, but in this assignment, you're basically making your case for why your zip code and your location makes sense for your market. So you can scroll down, and I'll tell you a little bit about the area in which the zip code is. So I live in Cincinnati, so it tells me some information here about that. And then you can scroll down and read about some other stuff about your zip code. Remember, anything you use from this website, you do want to format an MLA MLA format, and I think this will be a really great tool for you all to be able to successfully complete the assignment. As always, please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.